So in the last video, you saw us install some Cornerstone 2 hinges on this gate next to me. In this video, we're going to be talking about this Trident gate latch that comes equipped with an alarm system. This latching system would be great for someone who owns a fence around a pool and needs that extra security. This thing makes a noise and it lights up when the latch is left in the open position, alerting the homeowner to a possible person getting in without them knowing. Really cool idea, and in today's video, we're gonna show you how this works, how to put it on, and what it's all about. So let's talk about what comes in this package. When you open it up, you're gonna find the actual latch mechanism. On the back side, we've got some brackets that slide off so that you can easily attach them to your gate and gate post. Then once they're attached, you can easily slide this back on, and that makes it really easy, especially if this is a one-man job like it's going to be today. It also comes with the part that's going to attach to the post. This would be maybe the striker catch. It comes with 2 keys, which is great. You got one and a backup. The one thing that it doesn't come with is the battery to operate this. Now, this doesn't run off of a normal AA or AAA. This battery is a CR123. It's kind of a little bit shorter than a AA, but a little bit wider. It's kind of like a short thickie.
Don't hate me because it's extra thicky.
Now that we've gone over what comes in the bag with the latch, we're going to walk through the installation process. Before we do that, let's talk about the takeoffs that you're going to want to know. This particular latching system has a screw on the back side that you can adjust in and out. So a good takeoff for this particular latch, in my opinion, would be somewhere in between a 1/2 inch to maybe an inch or an inch and a half. So as you'll notice on the back side of this latch, we have these brackets that you can slide up and down. And actually they come right off so that you can easily install them and then slide the latching mechanism over top. The distance in between the bottom and the top is roughly a foot. So as long as you're within that foot in between the 2 brackets, you should be good. This allows you to pick out where you want to mount it at. So now that we have our holes marked for our bracket placement, we're going to go ahead and use the provided self-tapping screws to mount the 2 brackets. Now that we have our brackets mounted to the gate, we're going to slide the latch over top of the brackets. Now you'll notice when we get down here to the bottom one, there's a couple of holes to mount into the bracket, and we're going to use the provided screw to mount it into the back bracket. Now that we've put in that little set screw, our latch assembly is on here and not going anywhere. Next, we're going to move on to the gate post, and we're going to install the bracket for it. Now with the striker catch bracket, you'll notice that it's attached to the back, and it has a screw that you can move in and out. And if you move it out enough, you'll see that the holes open up here to where you'll be able to mark your screws to go into the post. So let's go ahead and mark them out, and we'll get this thing screwed in. Now that we have our bracket installed on our latch post, we're now going to utilize this screwing system to move the latch back over into position where we need it to be. Let's give that a try. So it needs to come out just a tad bit more. And there we go. Pretty simple. And especially having the screw on the back, it makes it easy for fine adjustments, whether you need to tweak it one way or the other. Now that we have everything installed, the last step is to install our CR123 battery, and we're going to give this thing a test run. Now that we've got the battery installed, let's go ahead and see what this thing does. We're going to pull the tab to open, and you can see that it lights up and makes a sound, alerting the homeowner or the pool lifeguard that someone has entered the premises. Maybe if they didn't shut the gate all the way or left it open, it now makes a beeping sound and gives you a light display alerting you to the fact that the gate or perimeter isn't secure and the gate is left open. By simply closing the gate, the magnets then reattach and the light and sound disappear. Thanks so much for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you're interested in this particular latch, we do sell them up on our website at ozfence.store. Let us know in the comments, what do you think about this latch? Is this something that you would install around your pool fence? I think it was pretty quick and painless to throw up, and I really like the latch. Tell us what you think.